Welcome to Tuguegarao City in Cagayan, and welcome to Anshawan Foods Walking Tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Legend has it that Tuguegarao was carved out of fire, a legend that has translated into its namesake among the Ibanag, Tuguegarao, or this used to be fire. The pre-colonial history of Tuguegarao City is rooted in the cultural heritage of the indigenous peoples who have inhabited the region for centuries. Some of these groups include the Ibanag, which comprises the majority group, the Igorot, originally from the Cordillera region, Gadang, Isinay, and Ilongot. Notably, the Itawis group, also called Itawis or Itawit, is recognized as the original inhabitants along the banks of the Cagayan River. To this day, the group continues to keep an arte, a compilation of Itawis rituals and belief systems, which are performed by the Kanturit, the ceremonial practitioners among the Itawis. Pre-colonial societies in the region were primarily engaged in agriculture, fishing, gathering of freshwater shellfish, and pottery. The social structure of pre-colonial societies in Cagayan involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. The local chief or datu played a crucial role in governance. Animistic beliefs and the worship of nature spirits, deities, and ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial societies in the region. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvest, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions were primarily oral. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The arrival of the Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Tuguegarao City. The influences of colonial rule, changes in governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. Present-day Tuguegarao traced its origins to May 9, 1604, when it was established as a mission pueblo. The initiative led by the new vicar Fray Tomas Villa included the construction of an initial church dedicated to Saints Peter and Paul. In the 1720s, Father Antonio Lobato played a key role in designing the street layout and overseeing the construction of the cathedral. A pivotal moment came in 1839 when Tuguegarao became the provincial capital, supplanting Lalo, coinciding with the opening of the Cagayan-Manila Road, a development that propelled socio-economic growth. The town witnessed American occupation on December 12, 1899, bringing about substantial enhancements. The early 1900s saw the completion of the first provincial capital in 1909, the construction of a town hall and public market, the establishment of the provincial high school, now Cagayan High School, and the founding of the Cagayan Valley College of Arts and Trades. During World War II, Tuguegarao and its strategically important airfield were seized by the Japanese Imperial Army on December 12, 1941, as part of their invasion of Apari, a town also located in Cagayan. After an intensification of hostilities in the final months of the war, the Japanese forces sought refuge in the barrio of Kapatan but were finally defeated by the Allied forces on June 25, 1945. Today, there has been a gradual transition in the city's economy from agriculture to trade, commerce, and services. This transformation has been spurred by Tuguegarao's designation as the regional government center and primary hub of commerce in northern Luzon. Along with Cabanatuan City in Nueva Ecija, Tuguegarao City records the hottest temperature in the country, usually between April and May.